How to install 3-light black brass vanity light. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Unscrew studs from back plate, then remove the mounting plate. Carefully and gently pull the outlet box wires through the mounting plate. Attach mounting plate to outlet box with mounting screws. Twist plastic wire connector until wires are tightly joined. Wrap each connector with approved electrical tape. Tuck all wires into the outlet box. Align the holes in the back plate with the mounting screws. Attach the back plate using screws. Unscrew the studs from socket base. Then position glass onto the socket base secure with studs. Install bulbs. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.